Welcome to the aluminum AFCO rail 3-inch and 4-inch posts installation video. Please ensure to adhere to all local building codes when installing aluminum AFCO rail. The aluminum AFCO rail 3-inch and 4-inch posts are packaged with the post, base trim, and post cap together in one box. Open from the end marked "Open this end" to easily access the trim components. Based on your project layout, position the post and mark the fastener holes. Pre-drill holes for post fasteners. Reposition the post and check for plumb. Plumb the post with washers or shims. When mounting an aluminum AFCO rail post on treated wood, the supplied ACQ pad should be installed between the post and wood. Secure the post using a fastener best suited to your project material. Once the post is secure, slide the base trim down the post and position over the fastener head. Position the cap at the top of the post. Using a rubber mallet, drive the cap onto the post.